It's that time of the year that the Christmas is coming, the holiday season is nearly here, and I just wanted to wish you all happy Merry Christmas. I hope it will be a fantastic time that you're going to spend with your family, and I hope you're going to get the presents that you really wanted to get this Christmas. I just wanted to say thank you for everybody that watches my videos, that come and visit me here on YouTube from time to time, leaves a comment, drops me that like button down below, and hopefully enjoying what I do, enjoying the content that I'm making for you guys. I really appreciate every single one of you, and I really do hope that you're going to stay with my channel and enjoy my future content. I think most of us can agree that 2022 was a very strange and difficult year for most of us. What's going around the world is absolutely bonkers, and after experiencing 2 years of COVID, now the war with Russia, so I want to wish you a bit of normality, normal prices of gas, electric, normal prices for food shopping, and most importantly, normal prices in the hardware stores, for the plywood, for the MDF, for tools and everything else. I had so many projects this year that I just had to postpone because of the crazy prices of materials, plywood and MDF as well. I think that's what we all can wish each other, back to normality. However, with every downturn and every problem that is heading towards us, I think it's always important to find the good things about it. Now, if you're not able to actually afford a tradesman, maybe doing it yourself is the way to go nowadays, saving a bit of money, spending some time on YouTube, for example, to learn a few things, buying some budget tools that are still decent and will do you a good job. Yes, maybe the project will not come out as fantastic as a tradesman would do, but maybe it will be just good enough, or actually in our mind and soul and heart will come out better because we made it with our hands. So always look at projects from that perspective. Even the best craftsmen, they also make mistakes. And to be fair, the biggest secret of the trade, woodworking, carpentry, anything like that, is not to make a piece of furniture perfect, is to know how to hide the imperfections and how to fix those imperfections. That's the biggest secret of the trade here, guys. So don't be fooled. Those professional guys, they make mistakes as well. The next thing I want to wish you is health. Without health, we've got absolutely nothing. No matter how much money you have, if you don't have health, you've got nothing. After health, it's the time. Time that you can spend with your family, with your closest, not at work, unless you really love your work. For example, me, my DIY shop, the YouTube channel, that's my work and I absolutely love it. It's my hobby and it's my passion. So maybe that's another thing I may wish you, that your hobby, your passion will become your job and you will have income from it that will support you and your family at a decent level. As you know, if you've been with my channel for a while, you know that I always try to answer every single comment that you leave down below, and that's very important for me to keep that communication with you guys. So if you're up for a chat or anything else, you can always get in touch with me, especially through my Facebook page. You can just drop me a message through there. Also on Instagram, you can drop me a DM through there. I'm always here for you guys. If you've got any questions or just want to talk, shop talk, I'm always there for you. Now, I don't want to drag it too long. I know you're mega busy and we've got so many things to do, especially before Christmas. So enjoy this time, spend it with your loved ones, spend it with your family. You well deserved it. And hey, Merry Christmas, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care.